Are you ready to break into the exciting world of web development? Welcome to Tutorac's Job Assistant Full Stack Web Development Program, where we will equip you with the skills on front-end technologies like React, Angular, Backend Development, Node.js, databases like SQL, MongoDB, API development, including RESTful APIs, version control system like Git, and finally, with unit testing and development processes as per the current industry standards, which will help you out to become a full stack engineer. This program is for working professionals, recent graduates, or anyone looking to build their career in web development. The average salary for a full stack developer ranges from 5 lakh to 18 lakhs, and there are about 1 lakh job openings in the current market. This program is taught by well-experienced instructors who have worked with top MNC companies like Google, Facebook, Wipro, TCS, Infosys, Amazon, and who were able to make 95% placements in the top product and service-based companies. The program includes real-time hands-on projects, coding assessments, guided projects, and also you will get access to playground labs for practice, which will give you real-world experience and help you build a strong portfolio. We also offer comprehensive placement assistance, including resume building, soft skills, training, and mock interview preparations, which would help you in clearing your final interviews. So what's stopping you? Register now for free consultation and build your career in the field of web development.